Hello friends and welcome back to my channel TechSage Academy. In the fifth episode of our Tkinter series, we have learned how to access MySQL database from our GUI application. We have accessed a table, fetched the data from the table and displayed it in our window. In the sixth episode of Tkinter series, we are going to learn how to delete a record from the table. So let's dive into the program and start coding. So friends, this was our program that we developed in our previous episode. We'll be continuing with this program and we will continue developing this application and keep on adding new functionalities to it. So in this episode, let's add deleting functionality, deleting a record from the table. Let's run this program and see how it works. Show table. When we were clicking on show table button, it was displaying the data from the table. What we are going to do, we are going to add a delete button below this show table button, and on clicking that delete table button, we'll be deleting a desired record, a record for which we are going to enter an admission number. We will enter an admission number and that admission number's record will be deleted. So let's see how. First of all, I'm going to create a button. So I'll just copy this show table button and just rename it button delete. I'll change the text to delete record and the row number will be 1. Let's change the command. First of all, we'll be making the function for delete record and then we'll be connecting that command to this button. So let's see how does it look. So here we have delete record button. So when I click on this delete record button, what will happen? The record will be deleted from the table. So let's quickly make the function for delete button def delete record. Here I'm going to take the admission number as an input. Now to input the admission number, I'll be using a simple dialog, a dialog box through which I'll be entering the admission number. So admission number is equal to, this admission number is a variable in which the admission number that we enter through the dialog box will be stored. Admission number is equal to tk.simple dialog, tk.simple dialog.ask string. The simple dialog generates a dialog box, and through this dialog box we can either input a string, an integer or a float. So to enter a string, I'll be using ask string. If you want to enter an integer value, you can use ask int. If you want to enter a floating type value, you can use ask float. So ask string. I'll give the caption of this dialog box delete record and a message to be displayed on the dialog box. Enter admission number to delete. So this will display a simple dialog with an entry box, OK button and cancel button. So whatever data we enter into that text box or entry box will be assigned to admission number variable. Now let's create a cursor object. So cur is equal to con.cursor, cursor dot execute delete from stud, where admission number is equal to, I'll use these curly braces within single quotes. Why these curly braces? Because these curly braces will be substituted by the value of the variable admission number. Dot format admission number. So the admission number, the format function will substitute the value of admission number in the curly braces. And once this record is deleted, I'll permanently save the changes into the table. To permanently save the changes, we'll be using commit function. So con.commit. Commit function permanently saves the changes into the database. If you don't use commit function, the changes that you make in your application will not be updated inside the database. After the record has been deleted, what will we do? We will delete all the controls from the frame 3 and we will display all the records in a fresh manner. Suppose I click on show table button and display the records. All the records will be displayed in frame 3. After those records are displayed, I click on delete record button, enter an admission number and delete the record and call the show table function. Now show table function will again display the records on the frame 3 which was previously displayed. Now that will create an ambiguity in the display. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete all the entry controls which were created in frame 3 to display the data. I'll be deleting all those entry controls. I'll be deleting the labels. And then when we again call show table function, all the controls will be create afresh. So this will be the logic behind displaying the data. So how to delete all the widgets which are already present in the frame 3? I'll be running a loop for widget in frame 3 dot winfo underscore children. Now this widget, it is an iterator. It will iterate over all the widgets present inside frame 3. All the widgets present in frame 3 are children of frame 3. Frame 3 is the parent control which contains those entry widgets and labels. So it will iterate over each and every control present inside frame 3, and then what we are going to do, we are going to use widget.destroy, and that entry control will be, and that widget will be deleted one by one in this loop. So once all the widgets are deleted, I'm just going to call show table. So show table function will be called and complete data will be accessed from the database again and displayed. And before this show table, what I'm going to do, I'm going to display a message box confirming that the record has been deleted successfully. So tk dot message box dot show info, a caption for message box, record deleted, and a message on the message box, record deleted successfully. Now let's connect this delete record function with the command button. So I'm going to connect it. Command is equal to delete record. Let's run this program and check the output. Let's click on show table button. This is my table. Now let's click on delete record button and delete a record from this table. So I click on this delete record button. This simple dialog is displayed. I can increase the length by dragging the border, and you can see the caption delete record and the message is displayed. Now let's delete the record with admission number 1010/12, the first record. So I'll enter 1010/12 and click on OK button. The record deleted successfully, message box is displayed, and click on OK button now. And you can see that the record is deleted. Show table function is called and show table function displays the table, and you can see that the record is deleted. Let's delete a record from in between the table. Click on delete record. I'll delete the record of this 1014/12. So 1014/12. Okay, record deleted successfully. Click on OK button and the record is deleted. 1012 record is deleted. Let's delete the last record now. Delete 1017/12 and click on OK button. The last record is deleted. So you can see in such a simple manner, the record is getting deleted, table is getting updated, and the records are being displayed. So this is how we can perform deletion in MySQL table in such a simple manner using Tkinter GUI application. So friends, I hope that you have learned how to perform deletion from MySQL table through your GUI application. It was such a simple application which can be created in few steps. In our next episode of Tkinter series, we will be learning how to create a data entry form and enter records from your GUI application into MySQL table. So keep tuned into my channel, TechSage Academy. Do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so that as soon as I upload my next video, a notification can be sent to you. Till next time, take care, goodbye.